Hello guys, good evening. No, good afternoon from here in Qatar. Ay, Dubai, my God. Guys, we have a new location now. Not there in the we are new location. Yeah, we are here in
Mall of Emirates.
Mall of Emirates, Sheraton. Welcome guys.
Pumunta ka pala ng Mall of Emirates.
Welcome, hi baby. Just ano nga? Just like. I met these two beautiful ladies because I miss her.
I miss them.
I miss Brie, and that's why I came here. And also the Mall of Emirates and the Sheraton. Still, pakita mo yung Sheraton, baby.
Sheraton? Yeah. Sige.
Mall of Emirates. And this the, anong tawag dyan?
Metro.
Ikaw naman magkano ng metro station.
Mall of Emirates Metro Station. Sabay-sabay.
Wala tayong, maya-maya ang sabay-sabay kasi magtatagay daw.
Chalo na yan.
Magtatagay kaya kami. Magre-red horse kami.
Pakita mo muna yung dagat.
dito.
Hindi ka lang
London Lake yan.
Ayan yung dagat.
Ayan, oh.
Pakita tayo ibon. Ayan yung. Ayan yung dagat. Ay, palayan daw. Ang daming ibon. This is our new location for now. So tomorrow we will back again there in our old location there in our car, trucks.
Sakura na tayo, dali.
Yeah,
Bus
and
station.
that's why also I'm calling the attention of Mita. Mita, here we are again.
Pagkita mo siya sa kanya. Pagkita mo siya,
Yeah, we're calling the attention of Mita. Mita, here we are again asking for you, give us our salary. Because we don't have work here, only making this vlog, blah, blah, blah. So please, thank you in advance. We will wait for you, and this also my friend, my very good friend, Juani. It's also she don't have work, and we are they don't have work.
we're jobless. We're jobless.
Yeah, we're jobless, and only depending on your salary for us. So Mita, we're begging you.
Sumayaw mo na kayo, dali.
Kuya yan.
Eh, mukupo ka.
Yan, vlog? Okay, vlog.
Do you want to join our vlog? Say hi. Say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Hi. Yeah.
I'm good.
Yeah, she's good. She's good. Yeah.
She's from Africa. You from Nepal?
Me from Nepal.
You
And,
from Cambodia?
and you also, how about it?
I'm from America.
I love Indian.